Okay, so another quick video with another quick money-making website. I just let my balances run up on all these websites, so I made an account for all of them, and then I just when I need money, I cash one of them out. So I'm going to tell you guys about the different ones, but I told you about one the other day, and this is another one. This one's called Verasight. So you're just going to go to Google Verasight and sign up for an account. And then, so they'll personally send you surveys on this one. So if you have one, it'll be right here. And sign up with your email and phone number. And then when you do qualify for one, they'll send you an email. I just took one right now for 4,000 points, which is $4 because I only had like $7 available. So I just completed it. It took me less than 5 minutes. It was actually surprisingly very quick. It was about like politics or whatever. So now, because I did that, my balance went from 7 something to 11, probably 85 cents. So I went from 7.85 to 11.85. So I got my $4 immediately. And with this app, you can cash out every $10. So I could cash out now. It cashes out to PayPal, I believe. Let's see what it does. Okay, you can cash out to PayPal for 10,000 points. You can get a $10 to Venmo for 10,000 points, or you can get gift cards for 10,000 points. So you can choose which one you want. Set up your account, put your information in. It's not very much. I don't know what this image is supposed to be. But anyway, this, they'll send you emails, and it's just building up a balance, for you. So when you need some money, you can cash out. So that's Verasight. I was trying to show you guys my history of the ones I've done, but you can't seem to figure out where the heck it is. But anyway, if you guys sign up, I don't know if I can copy my link for anybody. Probably not. Well, if I go to, let's see if I can do it with Microsoft Word. I did, yes. Okay, let's go to a new blank document and let's paste and see if it lets me do it. Okay, that's my referral, guys. If you guys can paste that, copy and paste it, and sign up with my referral, that would be great. I would really appreciate that. But anyway, like I said, this is not going to be like a job. This is just going to be some extra pocket, cigarette money, whatever. Just another balance you can build up easily to cash out. Okay, so I'll be back with another one tomorrow. That's it.